Hello students, welcome to Vision Gate course Java. Topic 1 is Hello World. We will look step by step how to install Java, then how to write program for Hello World. So first one is requirement to install Java or run Java program. First step is install JDK. Second step is set the path of JDK bin folder. Third step is create program. Fourth step is compile and run Java program. And fifth one is we require some editor to write our program. So we have a list of editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Eclipse and IntelliJ. So first step is install JDK. For it you need to download the JDK and install jdk.exe file. After installing jdk.exe file, you can go to the file explorer, then go to C drive. Inside C drive you have option for program files. If you are getting Java folder, it means jdk.exe file is installed. Then second step is to set the path of JDK bin folder. For it we need to go inside Java, then JDK, and inside JDK we have a bin folder. So we need to write the path of JDK bin folder inside environment variables. For it we need to click on My PC, then properties, then advanced system settings, environment variables. Here you have two options, user variables and system variables. You don't need to touch user variables, just touch system variables. Inside system variables you will have an option for path, and inside path you need to click on the edit button and then paste your JDK bin folder path. I already have, so I am not going to touch it. Then click on OK, then OK, and then third step is to write the program or create the program. For it I am using Notepad++. I am not going to use Eclipse and IntelliJ right now because first of all we will learn how compilation process occur. So I will go to new file and write the program. First I will write the whole program, then explain all the terminology. So for it, public class name is hello, curly braces, need to close the curly braces, all the braces we have to close it. Then next write method is public static void main string args Then again we need to close the braces. Then here system dot out dot print hello. Okay, so one by one we will see all the terminology like class, public, static, system.out.print and void. So first terminology is class. Class is a keyword to declare class. The second terminology is public. It is a keyword which represent visibility. It is also known as access modifiers. Then third terminology is static. It is a keyword if we declare any method as a static, it is known as the static method. Just you are seeing over here public static void main. The core advantage of the static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke a static method. Then fourth terminology is void. It is a return type. The next terminology is main. It represents the starting point of the program. Then next is system.out.print. Which is used to print the statement. One more terminology is string args. It is used for command line argument. We will learn it later. Then next step is we have created program. Next step is compile and run Java program. For compile and run Java program, we need to save our program in .java format. For it, let me remove this. For it, go to file, then save as, and first I will select the folder where I will save my program. Inside D we have a Java example folder, and here I will save my program. Suppose I am going to give the name for it hello.java. Then save. Now next step is to run the program. For it we have to open the command prompt, then go to search and search for cmd. From here you need to change the directory path, or you can do one thing. I will close this and I will go here where I have saved my program. In Java example folder we have the hello.java file. Then here just search cmd. No need to change the directory. From here easily you can do. Then next step is we have to write the command java c hello dot java. Now it is what saying? Hello.java error is class interface or enum expected. Public class hello, public, and then yeah. So go to the program and see what we have done mistake. Need to write in small, then it changed into blue color. Again need to write it in small. It changed in blue color. Then Control S and again try to run the command. Everything is okay. Now see your folder. Inside folder I had only hello.java. Now I am getting hello.class file. So compilation process is done. Now need to run the program. For it we need to write the java hello. I am getting hello what? It means it is printing hello, means run process is done. Let's do one thing. Do one more print statement. So here I will write welcome to Vision Gate. Okay, let's see what will happen. First step is Control S, save your program. Then next step is compile.java file. Then for it we need to write the command java c hello.java. Then it will compile and convert into .class file. Then next we need to run the command java hello. Now what I am getting? Hello, welcome to Vision Gate. Clear? Next we have one more thing, print ln. I am writing print ln over here. Now see what will happen. Control S, then need to run the command java c hello.java. Now run Java hello. See, now again write println over here and do the same. See what I am getting. Hello, welcome to VisionGate. Previously what I am doing, I am using only println in this sentence. I was not getting any output, but I am using println in this sentence. What is the meaning of println? Means if you want any statement in next line, so for that case we use println. Okay, so that was the Java program for Hello World. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel.